Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today I'm going to share a very delicious and easy vegetarian recipe, that's Aloo Palak. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make this delicious and yummy Aloo Palak. 2 large bunches of spinach or palak. First I washed the palak nicely and then finely chopped it. 2 large potatoes cut into large chunks. 1 large onion finely chopped. 2 large tomatoes chopped. Few green chilies chopped. 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon kasuri methi leaves. Quarter teaspoon of hing, that's asafoetida. 4 tablespoons of cooking oil and salt as required. First I've heated a kadai. Into the kadai we'll add the oil. Add in the cumin seeds. The hing. So our cumin seeds have started to crackle. Into this we'll add our onion. Saute the onion till it turns nice and light pink. So our onions are done, as you can see. So at this stage we'll add our ginger and garlic paste. So just fry this for 2 minutes. We are going to make this saucy, not dry one and not too much spicy. So into this I'll add the green chilies. So green chilies are up to you. I'm using 3. You can use according to your taste. Try this. Now we'll add the turmeric powder, red chili powder and the coriander powder. Immediately after this we'll add the tomatoes. Use ripe tomatoes, nice and juicy ones. Or you can also use tomato puree out here, because we are going to melt these tomatoes nicely. Into this I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of salt, less than 1 teaspoon. Give it a mix. Now cook this till the tomatoes get nice and mushy. So after 2 to 3 minutes you can see it's nice and mushy. Into this we'll add the potatoes. I've kept large pieces of potatoes. If you want you can keep smaller also. Alright, now mix this up nicely. And now we'll add our spinach. Give it a nice mix. So spinach is going to leave its own water and the potatoes will be cooked with the spinach. Alright, now we are going to keep a lid on it and let it cook on high flame for 5 to 6 minutes. So after 5 to 6 minutes, I'm going to check on my palak. So now you can mix it nicely. And now I'm going to lower the flame and keep a lid on and let this cook till our potatoes are done. It's around 10 minutes and now we'll check our palak. So this is nice and saucy, as you can see. So let's check our potato, it's done or not. So this is done, but the oil has not yet come up. It still smells a little bit raw. So let's add in the garam masala and the kasuri methi. You can also use fresh methi leaves if you find them. This enhances the flavor of aloo palak. or kasuri methi is always available in your kitchen, so go ahead and add that. So now I'm going to leave this for more 5 minutes maybe on low flame till it absorbs the garam masala and methi flavor. After 5 minutes, I'm going to check, and as you can see, our palak looks all done. It's nice and saucy. Alright, and the potatoes are already done, so I'll show you. There you go. So this is all done, ready to be served. I'm going to make some chapati. So our aloo palak is all done and it has turned out very delicious, and I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.